Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Alvin Ledesma, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Ryan Vincent Corpus, National Referee. And now let's meet the starters first for the AFP Lady Gunners. Team captain and outside hitter number 1, Major Kaer Hake. Outside hitter number 2, First Lieutenant Kijoy Betino. Setter number 6, Yen Olores. Middle blocker number 4, Sergeant Iya Yonko. Middle blocker number 11, Fireman First May Madulid. Opposite spiker number 10, Rach Tegia. And libero number 18, Mimi Dr. Baron. Head coach of the Lady Gunners is Staff Sergeant Miriam Digo. And now let's meet the starting lineup for the Comelec Suffragettes. Team captain and setter number 9, Jane Yuma. Middle blocker number 11, Judith Abil. Outside hitter number 1, Chanda Manlapit. Middle blocker number 18, Danjit Rowley. Opposite spiker number 6, Shyla Tan. Outside spiker number 13, Attorney Odds Knock-On. And libero number 14, Attorney Kat Rodriguez. Head coach of the Suffragettes is Mr. Ricky A. Marcos. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set with the AFP Lady Gunners and the Comelec Suffragettes. This is the UVL Season 2, hashtag win and win, win in sports, and win for charity.
The playoffs of the second season of the UNTV Volleyball League just about ready to get served here. It's the AFP, which will be to the left of your picture. And to the right, of course, is the Comelec Suffragettes. And we will start with the serve of Florence May Madulid, who was our best player in the last game when they won against the PNP. Abil usually starts them off firing. Ito, maganda ang teamwork kasi ng AFP. They have displayed an opportunity for them to come together more often to practice. Baka hindi sila gaya ng ibang team nag-i-struggle to get their team together. Ha? Kasi they're in confined quarters. Madulid. Ay, naku, overpass. Set. Hinulog ni Yari. Nagkagulo ang AFP.
Usually tough at the net.
Alam mo, unique skill yung marunong magpataas ng bola pag gumapang sa net eh.
Oh, yan yung mahirap eh. Kasi may timing din yung kasama, especially if it hits the net. Also, yung pag-over ng bola.
May halong tsamba, pero yung tsambang yun, ginagawa yun. May pectus na hinuhook. Sa training mo, mamasa. Oh! The Comelec is off to a lead as the AFP with a struggling start here. And here comes Abid. Sabi ng kapatid mo, ano eh. Sabi ni ate mo, ano to eh. Malakas uminom ng kape to eh. Mag-teammates daw.
Oo, mag-teammates sila dati.
Uh-oh. 3-1. Shaky start by the AFP.
Quite. And these are errors really on their part, not forced by Comelec.
May ganun no? May nag-uumpisa ka. Ba't tayo ganito? Ano nangyayari dito?
Still finding their footing and maybe, yun nga, no? We can't also discount the fact na medyo mabigat din naman yung serve.
Oo. And Danica Gendrauli. Sabi niya sa akin, very German daw yung kanyang pangalan. Takes care of that. Makes it 4-1. Very auspicious start by the Suffragettes.
This is what we are also saying. Talagang bilog ang bola. It will be the team who wants it more. It is a good start. They need to be consistent.
Especially against the defending champs. Here's a good set. Diagonal cross-court, of course. Olores will reset. One more time for Yonko. Elevated. Naku, habol si Judith. Major Hake. Pinalo. Oh, ganda ng kuha sa ilalim. Well done by Shyla Tan, but they wasted.
What has helped Comelec in that rally was really their defense. Sadly ended with an error.
Oo, yun ang nakakalungkot. Dami yun nakuha ang bola. And each pass important. Jen Drowley, did she miss it? She missed it.
He was going for that sideline, but went out.
Which is always hard to land in. You're either too strong, your wrist action might be not correct. It's a gamble. Oh, just above the net on that serve of Olores. O Bettino rather. Bettino and Olores manning that front. Uh-oh, malapit bungles. And after a very lethargic start, the AFP has now tied the count at 4 apiece.
Now this is the danger, no? Going up against a team like AFP. Yung mga errors or yung mga giveaways.
Pag naunahan mo, dapat unahan mo ng diretso. The meantime, Bettino's serve is too strong outside. Comelec back in the lead by 1. Torny Nocon, Audrey Rose Nocon with the serve. Oh, just out. Good save by Abel, but just a bit off. Tama pwesto ni Judith. Pero yung
angulo ng kamay
angulo, pasok.
Pasok. You heard their teammates calling it out, ano? Out, wag nang kunin. They let it go. Pero saktong-sakto naman.
The AFP is now in the lead after being down early 4-0. Now they've settled down. Yumang with the set. Back row is hard at work. Madulid keeping it in play. Naku, habol. Pag problemadong first ball, hinabol ni Jen Drowley. De Gia. Long. Oh, it's inside though. It's inside, and we're tied at 6.
Well, that is a good target. The ball is off. You go for the corner, the end line. Nakapasok ang depensa ng AFP.
Olores. Yongpo, Olores, middle strike, and check ball, and all of the above. Unti-unti itong mga players natin, pag nasanay na ito, may combination plays na ito. The BFP later, I'm sure, will see that they'll try their combination plays. Hindi madaling gawin yan. You need teamwork and precision and some time. So they're going to be content with these open sets. Oh, Abel, ganda ng pagkakaputo, no? Down the middle, short!
Good intention. Not enough power to get the ball across.
Pero you have to gamble against the AFP.
Oo. Masyadong soft lang yung tip.
Kala niya, eksakto na di ba? Ito, wasted serve, and the Comelec comes within 1 point. Dana De Guzman is our courtside reporter today. Take it away, Dana.
After 7, and kahit nga na last on the rankings this semifinals, etong team ng Comelec ay hindi daw sila basta-bastang magpapabigay ng laro dito sa koponan ng AFP. Sabi nila ay pinaghandaan daw nila maigi ang imports ng AFP, pero paalala din naman ng kanilang mga coaches na no pressure dahil malayo na ang narating ng Comelec, coming na first time nila dito sa UVL. Ngayon tingnan natin kung paano nila matatalo ang AFP. Balik sa inyo.
Kung papayag ang AFP, Dana, alam mo naman, champion team ito. Outside yung serve na yun, ang AFP ay balik sa labang 9-8. Minsan, pag nag-champion ka na, yung mindset mo, iba gusto mo pa Ayaw mo mawala
Oh, you keep wanting more. Meanwhile, kapag ikaw naman yung baguhan, syempre may konting hunger. But I think what is not helping Comelec at this point, maaga pa naman. We are only in our first set. Pero medyo maraming pamigay. Pero yan, ibinigay ang lahat. Abil Abil.
Baon na baon.
Baon na baon. And they will be needing more of that. You know, that psychological effect also, no? Kapag nakapuntos ka ng pangmalakasang ganyan, it helps.
Kailangan gibain mo hindi lang yung blocking ng AFP, yung confidence din nila eh. Samantala Madulid got to it. Betinho. Good first ball. Playable. Abil cuts it. Kept in play by Madulid. Here's the set by Jane Newman. Abil taps it over. First long rally. Kailangan itong mga long rally, wag kang kakagat dito. Ayun! Abil gets 2 in a row.
And you see the effort of Abil. Yung kanyang mga puntos na nakuha, iba-iba, no? She went for an attack, may mga drop, may off speed, but finally took that point with that hit.
Parang sinasabi niya sa FP, hulaan niyo kung anong gagawin ko susunod. That is a net touch. Yes.
May konting gigil sa pag-block.
Tabla po tayo sa 10 and this has been close and tight. Same for the first part where the Comelec had the early lead at 4-0. Here's De Gea who ends up short. Si Rachel De Gea, nakakatuwa, para siyang, I think she's one of the former liberos of this team. She actually plays like a libero, but she's now part of the starting 6 as a regular, not as a libero. Butas ang gitna. Madulid gets her first point of the match. Easy set. Abil. Oh, haba lang. Oh, pumasok.
So much force. And obviously, for the first option of the setter would always be their reinforcements, so kanilang mga imports. Yes. And Abil so far delivering.
Judith has strung together 4 points. And as Anne pointed out, in different ways. That's long. Parehong nang gigigil, ha? Parehong may gigil. So, makinig tayo sa timeout ng AFP.
Dapat gawin natin Una, ang ginagawa natin, in bola, umu-over na dyan, pinagpipilitan mo na iset pa rin. Tapos sa block pa lang, ginaganon mo na. Nagsimula doon sa ganyang may ikaw naman, kakukuha ng receive dyan. Hayaan mo silang mag-receive dito. Ito si Rachel, tsaka ito, mahirapan ka, tapos mapalo ka pa. Okay, yung depensa natin dito, makinig mo na. Andito lahat ng bola. Pag siyabi lang ang spike sa una, nandito lahat yan. Hindi pumupunta rito. Bumlock kayo muna, ha? Back muna na maayos. Kahit malayo yung bola niyan, papaluin talaga. Pag binitawan nyo, kawawa yung taga-depensa. Mag-focus muna tayo. Huwag muna masyadong mariminisip. Laro muna tayo, laro, ha? Laro muna, laro.
Let's go!
Don't you just love it? Coaches like to call attention to focus. It's somebody from the outside who tells you to focus, but you're actually focused eh. But you said you tend to drift because you're not doing the correct things probably, But it's yung coaches lagi yung nagsasabi, no?
Oo, minsan kasi ang bilis na nangyayari sa loob and you cannot predict really. So you have to react fast. You have to read. Sometimes easier said than done. But again, for AFP, I suppose iba rin yung expectations because these players, like what you have mentioned, siguro sila yung mas may opportunity na makapag-train together. Oo.
At saka kung minsan, pag nagdi-drift kayo concentration-wise, you need an outside voice to tell you, hello! Naku, outside. Ricky Marcos, the coach of the Comelec, knew it was sailing out. They hold on to a 2-point lead. Alam ng Comelec they have to steal a set right away from the AFP kasi hindi pa nga nila natatalo in 6 sets so far ito. Oh! Jan Bradley with a lockdown on Yongo.
Look at that single block.
Oh, lampas pa yung wrist niya sa net, ha?
Again, it's about timing. Wala yan sa ano, no? Sa taas ng talon. Timing, really. That's what matters.
Technique and timing. Nice pickup by De Gea. Gendralis working so hard to keep the defense honest by blocking, but that is just too far away. Manlapit's crashing to the floor. And now we've got Olores, the setter. Gendralis strike in play. Madulid. Yumang. Namomorsyento na sila. Almost exclusively kay Gendrali na sila pumupunta.
And, you know, despite the double block of AFP, no, nakahanapan ng paraan.
Yes.
Lumusot ang bola.
Ano si Danica, malakas na babae. Di mo, pati yung paligpik niya, hindi pa volleyball player, pa swimmer.
That's why she packs so much power.
Oh. Yeah! Knocking it down!
Manlapit Hendrauli connection.
Watch this. Ito yung sinasabi mo. Woo! Bingo. Dana, ano meron?
After 7 and after 14 matches nga, the Lady Gunners finally got the first rank in the top seed. Ngayon, they shared na isa sa mga rason kung bakit sila naging successful in the eliminations round ay ang pagiging committed ng bawat isa sa kanila. Sabi nga nila, wala daw kasing fixed training schedule ang AFP. Minsan daw tatawagin sila ng 6 a.m., 11 a.m. or kahit hapon. Depende daw ito sa availability ng kanilang court. Pero hindi daw ito problema sa kanila kahit na meron din silang teammates na nanggagaling pa sa Cavite. Dahil daw ito sa kanilang commitment at sa kanilang goal na makapag-champion this season at makapabalik sa kanilang charity na Victoriano Luna General Hospital. Now back to our panel.
Okay, thank you very much, Dana. In the meantime, it's a wasted serve. And the AFP comes within 3, but the Comelec threatening to take this first set. Here's Cheryl Hockey, our major. Totoong major ito. Ang assemble ng baril ito.
Yung mga astig na ginagawa.
Oo, yan. Ahanga ako dyan kasi hindi ko magagawa yan. Abel tried to ask for a check ball, but didn't get it.
There is no check.
It's all right. Judith sabi niya, it's okay.
They still have the lead. Judith nakatawa pa rin. Check niya dun sa ano eh. Sa linesman. Wala talaga.
Medyo nape-pressure din sila. They wanted that 19 point para maka-move forward sila sa area na 20-21 eh. And, yeah.
They know the urgency and they do have a chance no here in the first set. Maganda yung kanilang pinakikita sa depensa, likewise sa kanilang opensa.
They don't want to waste that effort of this first set. Oh! Madaling! Ending up short.
And you know, these moments kung saan nag-e-error yung AFP, they really are maximizing itong Comelec.
Yes, that's right.
They don't let it go. They find ways to earn points. Bukod dun sa mga errors na ibinibigay sa kanila or puntos na naibibigay.
Nice drop. Red, nonetheless, by Attorney Nocon. Kept in play by Dr. Baron. Madulid. Abel gets it off the block and they reach 20. AFP wants a timeout. Let's listen in.
Okay. Simple lang naman. Pinasok kayo dyan dalawa. Dalawa spiker mo. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang matitibay na spiker mo. Ang kailangan natin, receive lang, depensa. Atake ng kalaban, iisa ng tao ang umatake. Ba't hindi nyo pagkukunin ng dalawa? Mag-usap kasi kayo kung sino kukuha dito, sino kukuha sa diretso. Napakasimple lang yan. Go, go.
Dapat lang.
Hey, AFP!
Bawian natin.
Alam mo, ganda lang na attitude ng dalawang team. Hindi sila tensionado dito. Yung they're trying to be as calm as possible. I think both practiced well eh. Pagka tense, alam mo hindi nag-practice yung isang team eh.
Saka alam mong pinag-aralan nila yung bawat isa. But on the side of AFP, of course, the coaching staff, they don't like what they are seeing.
Yeah,
that they are down by 4. So ang sinasabi nga, iisa lang. I think it's more of talagang pagbabasa ng kalaban. Kasi yung paalala ni coach, isa lang naman ang pumapalo. Mag-commit kayo sa blocking.
They started so badly here today actually. They had a taste of the lead, but it's now a thing of the past. Olores twisting set. Oh, great pickup. Abil with a balletic move in the air. Madulid. Good first ball. Playable. Abil drops a message. It bounces back. Lively exchange. This crowd is screaming. Abil says, hello. Olores. Abil. Ay, net touch. Alam niya. Alam ni Judith. Gigil.
Oh, pero she had the right thing in mind. But again, despite AFP getting that point set, ang ganda ng depensa ang nakikita natin dito sa Comelec. And you see the teamwork is there because it's not just one person, not just two, pero lahat talaga may kontribusyon.
Yes. Here's Rachel De Guia. Long! She added a little more muscle to that serve and ended up long.
Kanina kasi, it went straight into the net. So, tinaasan niya. But, again, ang serve needs accuracy.
Yes.
Tamang lakas, tamang technique.
May nakita ako sa Instagram niya, may coach nagsasabi, have to pin it against the wall.
At yung nakaharap siya sa certain angle din ng kamay mo. Yes.
Gusto mong flat yan na maganda. Whoa! De Guia. Hits the net. That's a messy first ball by attorney Audrey Rose Nocon, and it's 21-18. Betinho will come in again for Mabayad. And on the other side, Cheryl Tan will come in quickly for Victoria Hernan, who had a very, very brief stint on the floor. 21-18. Madulid. Taking her time, possibly eyeing somebody on the other side of the floor. It's Judith Abel, who is set up here. Aki says, Puto! Gotcha! Good counter. Despite that, you're right about the floor defense of Comelec. But they've lost momentum here. And timeout requested by Coach Marcos.
Nandito lang may libero niyan eh. Saan ba mas magagalaw siya? Na nakatayo lang siya dito na ida-drop ball mo, papagalawin mo siya na gumagalaw siya. Di ba? Mas
sabi niya kasi mag-double daw po sa gitna. Sabi ko, mano dito sa
gitna. Dito, pwede naman dito sa gitna. Hindi naman dito
may
talaga.
May import dito.
Oo, dito lang. Gagalaw naman yan eh. Basta paggalawin nyo lang. Pero pag magbe-break ball kayo, siyempre, zone 1. Kasi pag dito lang yan, nakatayo lang yun si ate gagalawan niya lang yan. Kasi dito naman nakapwesto, hindi naman siya masyado naka-first position eh. Okay lang basta gumagalaw sila. Hindi yung parang binibigay lang natin. Okay, isa lang tayo, one stop tayo, one good receive lang tayo.
Some reminders and some sense of urgency needed here on the side of Comelec dahil they want to maintain this what lead they have at the moment.
Alam mo, best of 3 to. Gusto mo unahan itong defending champion. Namantala, they were able to freeze Madulid, and that gives them a 3-point lead. Anybody's first set, actually, despite the 3-point lead of the Comelec. Solid serve, Olores. Oh, Abel, great recovery. Standing spike by Daniga. Straight and two from the gunner. I like your comment about the fact that she's such a multitasker. Nanay, helicopter gunner, volleyball player.
Of course, these are the things that we don't see, no? For those watching the games, yun yung mga outside the volleyball. That's what these ladies do.
And to decide to become a gunner. Siguro, ayaw mo magpalipad. Hindi, gunner na lang ho.
Actually, pati ako naaastigan dun sa mga ladies who can handle guns.
Up. Net. Sayang yun. Sayang yun. Hala.
Etong Comelec, ang ganda nang ipinapakita. No, pagdating sa depensa, ang nagiging problema nila ngayon yung mga giveaway points nila, yung mga violations.
Actually,
kita natin at the net.
Wala namang ginagawa special yung AFP so far dito sa stretch na to eh. Abel had to stretch it straight and true. Made Dr. Baron got to it. And look at this, we're tied. Alam mo, sanay itong AFP sa mahaba ang bakbakan.
Oo.
Gusto nyo patagalin? Sige, tagalan natin.
Exciting baka mo.
Sige. Jandrauli. Well done by Betinho. Drop. Hello. Problemado. Kinain ng depensa. Yongo got to it. And the AFP already in the lead. Let's listen into the Comelec.
Okay lamang talaga isa. Okay lang yan. Okay, one good pass lang tayo. Isang magandang set lang. Dos na lang tayo. Dos na lang tayo. Okay, one good pass lang tayo. Sige, hindi kasi tayo mga receive eh. Okay, isang magandang receive lang. Dos follow mo, Danica. Tirik mo lang. Huwag kang mag-ialang. Set mo lang na mataas yan kay Danica. Ha? Okay, go. Isa lang.
Atin na to! Sofre!
Again, I think that timeout really just trying to break the momentum on the side of AFP. They were already there. They had the lead already. So giving AFP the chance to find their footing, to allow them to regroup, or at the very least, bibigyan mo ng confidence na kaya nilang makuha pa. Itong set number 1 is quite dangerous. And now AFP has a 1-point lead against Comelec.
Of course, if you're the AFP, you want to take game 1, take game 2, and prepare already for the finals against either the BFP or the PNP. Here we go. Hello! Good read by Danica Jandrauli.
Also a good way to respond after that timeout.
They're asking who will serve. Mukhang okay naman. There was no problem, but they were not sure about it. And they arrive at set point. Nakita mo, nag-hesitate si Attorney Nocon. Ako ba? And manlapit approached the referee, but the whistle had already been given. Serving for the set. Audrey Rose Nocon. Drop, chance. Abiel. Free ball. Chance again. Too close. Alive. And they want to finish the set. But it's not going to end yet. One of those long rallies. Who will strike most? Jandrauli gets it, and the Comelec takes the first set.
What a game that we've seen from Team Comelec.
They stayed together, despite the spate of errors that they had. They were crumbling, but they decided to stay together to take the first set. Watch this. Right there in the corner. Straight and true. And Dana and I will be right back with your second set just after these important messages. As expected, this semifinals will not be short in excitement. That set could have gone either way,
Definitely. We did mention how it was a shaky start for AFP. Comelec, on the other hand, really took advantage, hence winning that first set. Kung titignan natin yung stats, actually, hindi naman nalalayo, no? Pagdating sa opensa,
exactly,
halos pantay lang sila. 11 ng AFP, Comelec has 10. But where we saw, no, talagang yung siguro psychological, ano na rin to, no? The blocking of Comelec, yung kanilang net defense worked very well in set number 1. 3 block points, merong isang AFP, but also yung kanilang service aces. What is not in the score sheet, ang hindi natin nakikita dito, yung kanilang depensa. Ang depensa ng Comelec in the first set was really on point, na itataas nila ang bola, no, kapag pumapalo itong AFP, which we'll see if they can sustain up until the second set.
Okay, we are ready for the second set. Now, if you're AFP, you need not worry naman. Okay, we stayed close. We started badly. We were down 0-4. We recovered. We could have taken that set. But, you know, that could have gone either way. So you're very much into the game. But you don't want to lose here today. Tama na yun, if you're AFP.
If you are AFP, you need to work on starting strong. But just as I was saying that, sinasabi rin natin, no, nakita natin first set statistics, talagang pinahirapan din naman ng Comelec ang first ball ng AFP with their sharp and strong serve.
Yes. Here comes Judith Abel, who played a huge role in that first set. Muntik na. nakita mo si Lilet Mabayad. Kinakausap niya yung bola, huwag kang babalik, huwag kang aakyat, huwag kang aakyat.
Nakinig naman, tinan mo, hindi na bumalik sa kanila.
Ayan, kinakausap niya yung bola. Ano yun, parang gardening yan. Kailangan yung halaman kinakausap mo.
Ganun din yung bola. Alam mo yung bola kung kanina siya susunod. Ganun ba yun?
Huwag ka nang babalik. Pinaalis na kita. In the meantime, Abel gets to it. And Rowley and Abel are the 1-2 punch of the Comelec, but the punch hits Abel.
Your Abel, see the frustration because she was right there. Nandun siya eh. Kaya lang, ayun eh, yung pwesto.
Kainis sa volleyball yun, ano?
Oo,
inandong ka.
Kamay mo.
Mali ang kamay mo. Or nilundag mo. Either or. Abel sliding gracefully on the floor. And Raleigh is hijacked. And she's blocked amply. And the AFP jumps out in front by 2. Betinho will be serving. You know, Betinho is a first lieutenant. Alam mo, di biro mga babaeng to. Ito, major. Nice drop by Cheryl Hake. Middle attack. Crosses over. Good hands by Lores. It is big strike that time by Sergeant Marian Patino. Pantino knocking that in, giving the AFP a 3-point lead.
And, you know, it was a well-placed shot.
That's even a better call of that. In the meantime, Abel and Rowley pushes it into the empty corner.
Talk about playing smart, finding those unmanned areas on the side of AFP.
Yan ang gustong-gusto ng frontline. Yung zone 1, zone 5, yan mga butas na yan. Minsan nilalagyan pa ng mga coaches ng codes sa training. Ito target nyo, ito target nyo.
Oh, di ba?
Oh, good swing by Lilet Mabak.
Look at that reach. Ito yung height advantage, no? Tsaka yung kanyang reach talagang mataas.
Yes. Alam mo yung UST players, ano? UST at Lasal may isang tabas ang gusto eh.
May height requirement talaga. No? Yung pag nagtaas ng kamay, kailangan lagpas ka sa ano.
Lalo na ngayon, ano?
Yes.
Kay Coach Ramil, ano?
It is, makikita natin different breed. Ang dami nang naglabasan lahat ng mga matatangkad. Oo.
Kinausap ko nga si Don Macandili. Sabi ko, paano ka nakapasa dyan sa team na yan? Sir, dinaan ko sa bilis. Kasi Lasal at saka yung US team, mahaba talaga eh. 5-4 ang bilang natin. Ito si Yumang. Olores. Babayad! Target! Down the middle we go. Nagkagulo sa kabila.
It seems like the AFP Gunners have awoken this second set. Parang lahat ng ginagawa nila, nagmamadaling makapuntos.
At saka energetic sila. You know, you're so right. That's a good observation. Ang tamad nung umpisa nila eh. Nung first set, 4-0, naunahan sila eh. Para bang may tumawag sa bahay. Kakain na almusal. Ayaw pa gumising, gumugulong pa sa kama eh. Alas 9 na, ayaw pa tumayo eh. 8-4. Lilet. Tabi dyan, sabi ni Papalit. Lakas. Malakas. Check ball ba? Hindi.
Oh, and then she do it eh.
Teka. Mag-uusap ang mga referee. Sandali lang. Hindi siya sure eh.
From our angle, it seemed like there was none. But I think some clarifications here.
Mabuti pang pag-usapan.
Also, no complaint on the side of Pantino.
Here's the call. Ang formality nito, they will allow the second referee to get to his position. And now here's the announcement. Yep.
Oh, it seems like there is a touch, a different call ng ating first referee at second.
Mukhang kinonfirm ng linesman eh. So, inayos. Okay. Dana has a report. Go, Dana.
Sir 7, and for Judith Abil, mahalaga daw sa kanya na day before the game ay ready na siya physically and emotionally. Kaya naman kahapon pa lang daw ay sinimulan na nila ang pag-aaral ng mga previous plays nila against AFP. Sabi din ni Abil, this game daw handa siyang ibigay ang kanyang doble energy at doble effort para manalo this semifinals round. Ilalabas din daw niya ang kanyang persona bilang Queen Abil this semifinals. Balik sa inyo.
Grabe ha, Queen Abil ha. Ganun talaga ha. Okay, sige, kanya-kanyang tawagan yan eh. Yan ba ang reyna nyo?
Dali na nga lang yung trabaho nyo, nahihirapan pa kayo. Tayuan nyo lang yan dyan, tapatan nyo lang, wala nang ibang gagawin. Ha? Danica, pag nagbablock ka, kanina pa ganun yung block mo, dapat papunta sa kanila kasi ito nga eh, para pag tumama, gagaan na lang yan. Ha? Para di na mahirap ang kalaban natin. Kanina yung block mo, gusto mo blockin eh. Tigay block mo lang, bayaan mo si Judith tamaan dyan. Ha? Okay, sige. Isa-isay lang natin yan ha. Go. Tara, depensa natin.
Isa lang. Okay, kami kayo. Ito, 1, 2, 3. Safran! Yes!
Iba rin yung coaching ni Ricky Marcos, no? I-guide block mo lang para naman kasi hindi mo naman mababaon at may score ng lahat ng block eh.
Ngayon, yung big question, execution sa kanilang pagbabalik because again, nothing to take away from what we are seeing from Comelec at the moment, but right now AFP is on fire, no? Nakikita natin. The effort to shift the momentum on their side.
Yes, Lilet Mabayad who has 6 points already with the serve. Abil, Pantino. Oh, good play. It's Hake uncorking. Hendrali, De Gia, Olores, free ball. Steady as she goes. Winalis. Mabayad. Palo. Ayaw. Nagkatapikan sa net hanggang bukas ito. But usually this will end in an error. Somebody will make a mistake. Hendrali wants it. Mabayad said no way. Hake with the standing spike. Ang lakas! Ang lakas!
Well, that is the error that you did mention earlier, no? May end in an error, and it did.
Sayang kasi maganda yung energy niyo. Manlapit, however. A little too much on that one. Missed the corner, and the serve still belongs to Lilet Mabayad. Yumang. And Crowley hammers it down. Two defenders, De Gia and Betinho, could not bring it up into the air. Actually, yun ang masarap targetin. Yung nagkakagulo, nagkukumpulan, doon mo ipadala. Split second mo maksisilip yan pag nasa air ka. Nice set. Ay, Mendez! Hockey missed. Again, if you're just joining us, the first set went to the Suffragettes, the Comelec side, 25-23. You're watching the semifinals of the second season of the UNTV Volleyball League. Here comes the set. It's Abil's turn. Yes! Parang alam ni Judith gagawin niya pag taas pa lang niya. Oh.
Oo. And yun nga, may mga target talaga sila sa na gustong dalin.
Approach pa lang niya, parang you sense, alam mo siya nakasilip ng butas eh. Here's Lilet Mabayad. Olores. Abil, steady hands. Regalo. Net touch.
Or they think some clarification here. That sinasabi ni Yumang, di ako yun.
And as always, in any league, it's the captain. Is the only person that can talk to the officials. Of course, we don't have a challenge here in the UNTV Volleyball League. In time, we will. But the point will stay with the AFP. Hockey. Yumang. That does not cross. And Abil is jumping up and down in frustration. Alam mo, iniisip pa nila yung last point.
Oh, I think so. Because they, had a stance na hindi kami ang nagkaroon ng violation. But again, final call stays.
Can't linger. Shove it off, brush it off. Abil, bawing bawi! Sabay rampa!
That was a clean point from Abil. Absolutely no touch from the blocker, nor any reaction from defense.
Caught them by surprise. 4-point lead by the Lady Gunner. De Gia. Olores down the middle. That's a good strike coming from Pantino. Five-point lead by the defending champions. Rachel De Gia will serve. Alam mo, isa lang ang pinupuntahan ng bola nito eh. Pagkadating kay Yumang, she has two choices. Gendrauli or Abil. Wala nang ibang pumapalo.
And it could be, of course, it will be predictable already for AFP.
Yeah. 6-point lead by the Lady Gunner. Timeout taken.
Magaling rumisid. Saan tayo pupulutin yan? Tinarget mo, doon pa. Ha?
Sipagan natin sa reserve.
Hoy, karga-karga nyo yung service nyo. Galawan nyo dyan kung gusto nyo manalo. Okay, malayo pa yan. Last time out natin to. Kailangan natin tayo dyan, ha? Okay, tara. Go, 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 go.
Malayo pa. Kunin na natin to. Sobra! Yes!
Alam mo, I always hear this na coaches will say, isa-isa, habulin natin if you are the Comelec, But sometimes coaches, hindi mo kang itong second set, hindi atin ito.
Makikita natin, ma-feel mo rin yan minsan, You let it go, then
look forward to the next set.
You look forward to the next, oo.
Parang, nagising na yung kalaban. Tingnan natin kung may surprise pa itong Comelec. May gulat ito eh. Eto, si Rachel Digia ang magsaserve. Abil. Betinho, oh, she got it. Alam mo, may kalaban ng AFP, ang dami sources of points eh.
Oo, you see in every rotation, merong halos lahat makakahawak ng bola. Pero sa ngayon, they're trying to play smart. Makikita mo, placing. Hinahanap yung butas. Dahil siguro they also recognize na maganda yung depensa nitong Comelec.
Good point. Abil gets it to Bite and she relishes the moment. 6-point lead by the AFP nonetheless. Shyla Tan will be serving. Habol si Olores. Betinho. Nagkahiyaan.
Oo. Sabi ni Endrawi, nakahiga pa ako. Sa akin mo bibigay.
Di ba ikaw maghuhugas ang pinggan niyo?
Tayo ka dyan, sabi ni Abil.
Tayo ka dyan. 7-point lead. Dana, ano meron?
Sir Seb, akala daw nung una ng team captain ng AFP na si Cheryl Hake na madali lang ang pagiging isang team captain ng team. Pero hindi pala niya alam na kailangan niyang maging vocal sa pagiging team. At yun daw ay kabaliktaran ng kanyang personality, which is isang tahimik at malumanay na tao. Kaya naman laking tulong daw ng kanyang mga teammates na kabaliktaran ng kanyang ugali na sila Pantino at si Iya Yongko na very outspoken at very vocal sa team nila. Kaya daw ito'y nakakatulong sa kanilang di lang sa games, kundi pati na rin sa huddles. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Dana. Monster block by Lilette Mabayad, her second of the game on Abil, who was shocked to see the ball return. But this one punches through. 17-9, 8-point lead. Mabayad uncorks and delivers. Lilette has been playing so well, doing a little of everything.
That last point with a little help from the net, but nonetheless a point.
The changes in the lineup for both squads. Lavado is in for the AFP. De Los Santos, one of their other imports, in for the first time for Judith Abil. (18-9). Pantino takes a deep breath. Save. Mabayad gets another point. That's a total of 9 for Lilette Mabayad, the former UST player. Oh! Alas! Alas!
The receivers of Comelec have all moved back, and that was such a nice short serve.
Nakatulog. Nakatulog. Yumang is now replaced by Maria Manuel, number 16. Let's double check. Number 15, that's Jean Rassos, by the way, who's on the floor for the first time. So far, the AFP, kahit sino ipasok, has delivered, huh? In the meantime, Staff Sergeant Anne-Margaret Dolohan is on the floor for the first time. Pantino serving. Ang lalim na serve niya. So mga salok pababa. Olores has to punch. Yes!
Ball was too close to the net. He had to find a way to save it.
AFP beginning to pull away. And they have a 12-point lead. Suddenly, ayaw umiscore na ng kabilang side until that moment. Comelec gets a point through the error.
You know, itong nakikita natin with AFP, no? It's a good way to learn also. Pag tumingin ka sa isang team, this is how you let go of a loss in the previous set.
Yes.
You play better in the next one. Kapag you leave that baggage behind.
Tapos na yun. Itablahin natin para magtagal ito. Here comes Sandy De Los Santos serving for the first time. Mabayad. Dolohan. Middle attack. They get a point. They mix it up a little. They got a point from China Tanagan. The usual sources of points, Abil and Gendrauli, have been brought to the bench by Coach Marcos. Here's De Los Santos. Outside.
Strong serve.
Too much catch-up on that one. 22-11. Here comes Marifoske, who is the alternate setter for the AFP. Alam mo, pag malaki lamang mo, may luxury kang ipahinga yung starters mo. Akala, ginawa ng paraan. Well done by Manuel. Labada with an attack.
Oh,
buhay pa.
good.
Buhay pa. Walang pito. Tuloy. Set up. Tanagan. Free ball. Dolohan. Dalawa, nagagawan. Winalis! Well done. China Tanagan gets her second point.
Also an advantage. Dalawa lang yun eh. Kung off the bench, malamig, or kung hindi man yun, hindi ka papagod. Fresh. Tanagan also had a good view of what is happening on the floor. Alam niya kung anong kailangang adjustments, anong butas.
Good strike that time by Lavado. Stretch by Pantino. Mabayad uncorks the set. Pantino on two. Ah, yes sir, Marifoske.
Good return on that second ball. Butas ang gitna.
Lakas ng serve. Sabi na. 2 points in a row by Rhea Marifoske. One on the dump and now on the service ace. And they are at set point. Lalim na serve.
Oh, look at that serve.
Oh, good strike. Watch this. They're getting some dividends rather from China Tanagan. That serve is out of control. And the second set rather is done with. And the AFP winning in authoritative fashion now. We will have the third set ready for you in just a short while. Okay, nagising na ang AFP no second set at they took full control.
That's right. At makikita rin natin, no? First set, 27 minutes. Natapos nila yung second set in just 23 minutes. Definitely a much better performance na nakita natin from the Lady Gunners. Meanwhile, yung Comelec naman, no, I think struggled a bit. It was their turn in the second set to try to figure out, and siguro yung response, no? Hindi sila makarespond, hindi sila makasagot masyado sa mga balik ng AFP, as the numbers are quite different now in set number 2. Kung kanina sabi natin halos pantay lang sa opensa. In the second set, clearly it was AFP dominating in attacks, 15 points. Walo lang ang naipuntos ng Team Comelec, and it has shifted as well, no? Net defense on the side of AFP was quite effective. They got 2 points. Yung service aces, ganun din, nalipat sa side ng AFP. 3 service aces, meron namang isa ang Comelec. While both teams managed to minimize yung kanilang mga errors. Single digit, merong 5 na ipamigay ang Comelec, may 4 na naipamigay ang AFP. But I think ultimately, Sev, clearly dun sa stats na nakita natin, nahirapan pumuntos ang Comelec in set number 2.
Yes. At ang daming weapons nitong upunan ng AFP, biglang labas lahat ng nasa arsenal nila, no? Lilet Mabayad, who doesn't play a lot, suddenly came to the fore and has delivered the leading points for the AFP with 9. Yari Yonko did not play in the second set, has 7 points. In the meantime, let's see how the Comelec team adjusts. They brought back their starting lineup with Gendrauli, Abil, and Yumang at the front. And Yokon as well as Manlapit are back on the floor together with attorney Ira Fernando. Other side as Pantino, Betinho, De Gia, Olores, Mabayad, Hake. Here we go. First point, third set. Sets are tied at 1 apiece, and Mabayad is enjoying this Sunday afternoon.
Great execution and connection.
Alam mo, kung ikaw yung setter, alam mo na kung saan ka pupunta. Isa lang ang init ng kasama mo. Doon, mamorsyento ka na. Munang patagalin yung hapon. But we will go as much as 4 sets. That's one thing for sure here today. In the meantime, down the middle with Abil. Good hands by De Gia. Elevated, and it's a free ball. Yumang resets. Abil fires and overcooks it.
Oh, and the disappointment on Abil's face. Yan yung mga nanghihinayang ka, eh, no? It's a good set.
Malakas pala.
Oo, masyado malakas.
Kasi kita niya, butas yung area na yun between the middle, the 2 middle zones. And bungled on the pass. AFP jumps out in front, 3-0. Wala na, gising na AFP.
Gising na gising.
No first set, hindi sila ganito eh. They fell behind as much as 4-0. Marian Pantino. And that will not crawl over. And this is not a very good start for the Comelec.
Abil seems to be challenged. No, siya yung, and then she will be replaced by Tanagan.
Parang ano, no? Pahinga ka muna.
Oo.
Medyo pinipilit mo eh. Chill ka muna, basahin mo yung sitwasyon from the bench. Yumang has to dig it over. De Gia. Olores on a quick! Oh, yes, sir!
Mabayad! So hot! Yung porsyento, no? Yung magandang makita. Ilang attempt, ilan ang napatay. And she's been very efficient in this game.
Percentage, ang taas eh. Diba? Parang walang wasted.
Oo eh.
I would go back. But let's mix it up. Pantino. And Mabayad scores again. She has 12.
Parang daming mata nitong si Lilet. Nakikita niya lahat ng butas.
May lahing peacock yata ito, yung maraming mata. Or pinya. In the meantime, timeout by the Comelec. Let's listen to the Comelec.
Sa ating mangyari, ginagawa nila. Tingnan mo, tumatarget na sila. Okay, maroon sila tumarget. Alam mo sino tatargetin. Okay, relax lang kayo. Pag malakas yung serve, try na natin taas. Pag medyo mataas, tulungan kayo. Pag malayo sa kanya, tulungan nyo lang. Mas may control kayong dalawa. Ha? Okay, inay-inay lang ha. Isa-isa lang ha. Tara. Go.
Go lang ha, magaan 1, 2, 3, suffragettes!
A lot of pressure on Andrauli and Tanagan. Dahil sinasabi nga ni Coach, mag-usap kayo yung kailangan, sila, they need to carry the weight dito sa kanilang team. So yung magandang first ball at yung pagsasara with a point, so crucial at this stage, dahil hindi pa sila nakakapuntos at hindi pa nag-e-error ang AFP.
Alam mo, hirap ang AFP pag nakauna eh. They can be volleyball ruthless actually. They can pounce on you and pound on you. In the meantime, good recovery and good dig by De Gia. Here's Tanaga. Good stretch by Hake. Good set. Bitinho. Slide to the floor that time by Tanaga. Long rally in progress here. Olores. Abayad whips it to the side. Didn't get the point. But that block goes through Lilet.
They finally penetrate the block and get their first point here in the third set.
So China Tanagan will be serving. She has accumulated 4 points. Overpass. Undi na kuha sa lundag yun. In the meantime, Olores hustles for it. Betinho. Cross! And Tanagan thought that hesitation, I think she thought it was going out. Nag-break eh.
Oh. But, and then she looked at the sideline. But that's what coaches would usually say, no? Pag in doubt ka, kunin mo na lang. Kesa yung, mag-error pa.
First ball sails over. Ano kinain ng babaeng ito?
Maganda makita yung kanyang efficiency talaga. Yung attempts and the scored points would be very good for...
going everywhere. Let's go to Dana. Dana, go.
Sir Sev, last 2016 pangaraw, ang huling salang ni Lilet Mabayad sa Pro League. At kaya naman nung tinanong siya kung willing ba siyang maglaro para sa AFP, ay wala daw pagdadalawang isip ang kanyang pag-oo. At sabi nga niya, pinagandaan niya tong game na to first para daw makapag-mindset siya ay nag 10 minutes meditation daw siya. At bago daw ang paglalaro niya ng game ay nanonood siya ng kanyang mga previous highlights nung naglalaro pa siya nung high school, nung college at nung pro league niya. Dito daw ay para mapaalala sa sarili niya kung ano yung kaya niyang gawin sa loob ng court. Watching this helps her confidence and of course reminds her who she is inside the volleyball court. Balik sa inyo.
Kung galing high school, Dana, hindi 10 minutes lang yun. Ang habang review nun. I'm teasing, of course. But, sometimes the preparation takes different forms. Oh, good combination play. AFP gambling a little with... double block. Pushed high by Hake, but... What's the call?
On net.
On net, nahawakan ni Major Hake. 9-3 ang count.
Ay, nakita niya sumabit yung kanyang daliri. And she knew it.
Yumang serving. And inside.
Lands right into the line. But it seemed like it was going out. Dahil yung angle ng bola. Palabas na, but it catches the line.
Jane with her first point. Of course, she's the setter. Doesn't look for her points. She doesn't usually do it on 2. Hake redeems herself by taking that point on the strike. 10-4 count. All business na itong AFP. Hindi gaya ng first set. They were really sleepy. They were really ambling along in the opening. Babayad serves too long. Babayad with 14 points, anchored on 11 attacks and 2 blocks and 1 ace with that error now. Olores, Hake, cross, open space. Mabayad has been playing so well, hindi na nakabalik si Yonko.
But yun nga ngayon, kailangan nila yung sure. And she is delivering, gelling very well with the rest of the players. I think dahil sa bilis din Sev ng kanyang kilos, kanyang balik. Hindi rin siya masabayan kasi ng Comelec.
Yes. Pantino, this one is playable. They'll have to dig it over. They strike it over. Olores on two. It's outside.
Grabe yung galawan dito sa Comelec. Nakahiga ka na sa sahig, kailangan tumayo ka pa, ikaw pa yung papalo.
Ganun lang. Ang tawag doon multitasking.
Sobrang sobrang laki ng expectations.
Here comes the serve. Ang lapit, it's in.
Now AFP. This is where they're caught, no? Yung mga naglaland sa sideline.
Yeah. Gulat eh. Chanda Manlapit serve in play. Red hot strike. And that's not going to return. Pantino has also been a contributor here. She has chipped in 8 points. De Gia will be serving. Yumang naipit. It becomes a set for Tanagan. Gendrauli blasts away. Here comes Betinho. No, Gendrauli says, I got it. Middle Tanagan over. Cook. Semi-final round of the UNTV Volleyball League second season in progress. Still to come, the BFP goes up against the PNP. Comelec in possession, down by 6. Grabe itong players coming off the bench. Pantino and Babayan. Tuloy hindi na nakabalik si Madulid at saka si Yonko, which is okay for them. They'll live with that.
But whatever works, whatever gives them the win.
14-7. Middle strike. Gendrauli. Babayan with a perfect dig. Tough angle to work with. Too hard to handle. And Kilijoy Betinho knocking it in. Let's listen to the Comelec. They're down by 8. They played catch-up since the end of that first set, which they took.
Diba? Subek na, di natin magalawan. In-spin lang, di natin matay. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, tatapatan nyo nga yan, paulit-ulit naman kayo. Tapatan nyo lang. Ba't kayo kukuha ng pa-side-side? Kung nakatapat kayo sa papalo, alam nyo yung gagawin nyo. Kung patayo-tayo lang kayo dyan, pag ganyan-ganyan lang kayo, pag pumunta sa inyo, magugulat kayo. Ha? Tumama na sa block, di pa natin ginalawan. Saan tayo kukuha ng puntos? Wala tayo ibang kukuhaan. Okay? Hindi naman tayo katulad nila na gumagalaw yan. Tayo na nga lang, nasa katawan na natin, hindi pa natin makontrol. Sila gumagalaw yan, tayo gumagalaw ba tayo? Hindi nga tayo makagalaw eh. Ha? Tara, go!
Very specific sa kanilang pwestuhan, ng kanilang reception, ng depensa. Yun yung paalala ni Coach. And you sense that frustration because that is something that we pointed out as their advantage in the earlier set. Napakaganda ng depensa, maganda yung kanilang passing, which they've lost, no? Here in this set.
Yes. Parang nawala yung fluidity and cohesiveness nila. Because the pressure of the match is on. Now they're behind by 8. They lost the second set badly, 25-13. So they need to spark that confidence in you. In the meantime, Rachel De Gia will be serving for the Lady Gunner of the Armed Forces. Pocket dynamo of the AFP. Babayan. Olores adjusts. Pantino now delivering some key points. She has 11.
And here you really see the effort. No? Yung dinadala nila yung bola kung saan hindi nakapwesto yung depensa ng Comelec. Poor first ball leads to this Overball.
Hindi sila maka-atake ngayon.
Oo. Free ball lang.
Ayan, problemado ang first ball nila. And now, that'll make it a 10-point lead. Dana, what do you have?
Sir Seb, one of the playing attorneys for Comelec is Attorney Ira Fernando. Sabi niya, ang original playing position daw niya ay as an outside spiker. Pero as the game progresses, nakita daw ng kanyang mga coaches na meron siyang potential as a libero. Kaya naman, medyo namimiss daw niya ang pagiging spiker. Pero kung ano daw ang kailangan ng team, yun daw ang kanyang ibibigay. At sabi din niya, nakakatulong daw na bilang abogado, dinadala niya ang kanyang pagiging matapang at pagiging laging handa inside the court. Balik sa inyo.
Which you probably need as a lawyer. Thank you, Dana. That's you're talking about Attorney Ira Abigail Fernando, who wears number 4 for the Comelec. In the meantime, a bungled serve and everything that you can imagine going wrong is going wrong for the Comelec here.
Speaking of Attorney Fernando, she comes in.
There she is. You'll see her in just a while. There she is, number 4 at the back row. The libero of the Comelec. Abil. Pwede.
Oh!
Nagkalituhan kung sinong magdi-dig over.
They kept the ball alive, pero sayang, di na ibalik.
Sabi ni Rachel Digien, sana pala in-over ko na lang.
Oo. Ano pa?
Well, you know, you don't expect that to happen all the time, but you try. 18-9. Digia. That's outside. Malakas. 2 straight points by the Comelec. 18-10 count here in the third. Sets were separated. First one going to the Comelec, and the second one, AFP taking it. This is messy. 3 straight points now by the Comelec.
And the AFP seems to be not as focused, not as smooth also yung kanilang galaw sa loob.
Pag lamang ka kuminsan, you end up being not overconfident but just sloppy. Oh, like this. First pass, problematic. Pantino. Abil, come on, let's score again, they seem to be saying. Pantino digging it high. Olores. Pantino, pipe, no. Very short.
Pantino struggling.
That's 4 straight points by the Comelec. AFP needing a timeout. Let's tune in.
Puro error natin. Huwag kayo tumulong sa kanila na magpuntos para tumulong, ha. Kailangan natin pasa muna. Ha? Isang pasa na maayos lang para makakatake tayo ng maayos. Okay? Okay na yun, ha? Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey, AFP! Kami ako, Jen!
Dito ka muna. Kasi yung import pupunta dito, si Daddy ka pupunta rin dito eh. Nahihirapan pati yung sakop nyo makukuha. Dito lang muna kayo, ha? Dito lang. Kahit hindi naman gitna-gitna, dyan lang muna kayo. Para kaya nila, ha? Huwag nyo agad puntahan. Okay? Service tayo, tignan nyo. Pag nakaka-service tayo ng matindi, tignan hindi sila nakaka-receive. Bumabaliktad. Kaya huwag nyo sasayakin yan.
They're hoping to build on the run they've had. It was 18-8 earlier. They've scored the last 4 points. Let's see if they can continue on this run.
The challenge now on the side of AFP is they are unable to pick up a good first ball.
Yes.
Which exactly yung pinapakapitalize naman on the side of Comelec. Hindi sila makakuha ang first ball.
And Lilette Mabayad, her perfect day is marked by that error now. She ended up short. She was looking at the floor at the same time. She changed her mind kung papalo siya o ihuhulog niya. Nakita niyo yung butas sa kaliwa eh. In the meantime, that's 5 straight. Free ball. Six straight points. Nagising ang Comelec.
Oh, about time. Look at this hit from Hendrauli.
Hendrauli and Abil, 25 points between them. 13 for Hendrauli. Abil with 12. Red hot serve. Pantino gets the serve back for the AFP. Betinho will serve. Ooh. Short. Yeah. AFP beginning to give away freebies here.
They seem to be slowing down also.
Yeah. Parang yung heat, no? Biglang nag-simmer down. They want Yonko back in. They pulled out Hake. Olores has to adjust. And Abel says, Yoko nga.
Such an animated player. Itong si Abel.
Alam mo, huwag mo isasama yan at si Rondina. Mababaliw ka talaga. Sa saya. Brush. No, it's outside. They don't get it. And this is a much closer third.
And you know, on the side of AFP, this is coming from such a big and comfortable lead. So kung sino man ang makakuha nitong set na to, if Comelec manages to snatch this from them.
9-1 run actually by the Comelec. Hesitation by Mabar. Didn't hit. Gendrauli chased down by De Gia. Playing patty cake at the net here. Abel. They need to strike. It's blocked. And look at this. It's a 1-point third set.
Oh, that one also didn't seem to cross the net for the Yonko.
That will now make it a 10-1 run. They needed that. They needed that.
They needed that. They are asking for
a
crossing.
Manipis eh. Manipis eh.
But I think Seb na unang nagland yung bola.
That's correct. AFP escapes with a point here. Olores serves. Abel, Yumang, and Growley gets it to bite. Check ball, yes.
You gotta love the fight that you're seeing from Team Comelec.
Yep. (2019 rather). Anybody set now. The big advantage AFP had earlier gone. Baron. Free ball. Manlapit. Gendrauli to Abel. Baron. Mabayan. Red hot still. Yun ang gusto ng set ni Lilet, no? Quick sa gitna.
Just the right height.
Their rotation swings around. They have a chance now to pull out Yonko, bring back Hake and Pantino, and Mabayad will be serving as he swings to the back row. Ricardo! Pantino with a fingertip on it. Wasteful overpass by the Comelec. Lilet Mabayad serves again. Too much heat.
Also the wrong position there from Mabayad.
Mabayad now will hit the bench, and we see the return of Madulid. Gendrauli will be serving. Olores. Dug up by De Gia. Becomes a set. Free ball given over by Hake. Chased down by Gendrauli. Abel. Yes!
Abel going for that corner. And alam nila, pag kailangan ng punto, so yun ang papansin nating pattern dito sa Comelec. They really go for long attacks.
Correct. Pahirapan mo yung AFP mag-recover ng bola. 1 point affair here in the third. Olores. Good swing, but that's out. It's called out. We're tied.
It was a good target for Pantino. Alam niyang walang tao. But was right out of the line.
AFP wants to huddle up. They've lost as much as a 10-point lead. We're tied in the third.
Dito kayo.
Alam mo, atas para mga palo ka, huwag ka mag-stay rito. Ngayon, mag-adjust tayo. Tingnan nyo ha, dalawang bunga block. Shell dito ka, di ba? Nandito ka. Yung lupay depensa rito, ang ras ng konti rito.
Butas ng blocker, ma'am.
Dito ka, mama, kasi dyan ang lagi na gaya. Pabayaan nyo natin rito. Ha?
Pag sumek ko na lang. Ma'am, pag sumek naman dito, ma'am, dito naman yung tunay.
Adjust tayo mga isang adjust tayo.
Gunner! Okay, pa-ready din sa 6.
Okay, you're enjoying this one. Semi-final round of the UNTV Volleyball League. We're tied at 22 in the third. Anybody set all of a sudden. Nawala na yung buwelo ng AFP.
Oo, and you know, pag sinasabi natin yung attitude, yung kapit, makikita natin yan on the side of Comelec.
Yes.
Nothing fancy, but talagang makikita mo yung sipag.
Tinrabaho nila. Took advantage of the spate of errors of the AFP rather. Olores went on 2. No choice. Gendrauli. Betinho. The point. Ginulo lang din Pantino sa gitna.
But yun yung danger naman dito sa side ng Comelec. Pag yung bola dumidikit sa net, that's where they struggle. Either overball at magiging regalo para sa AFP or mahihirapan silang kunin kung dikit sa net.
It has to be a perfect pass to Yumang. Here comes Major Hockey. Manlapit. Abil. Outside.
What a tie, the third set.
And 2 straight points by the AFP, and they are at set point. Cheryl Hockey with the serve. Team captain. Uh-oh. Olores. That is... Outside.
That is outside.
Yeah. And the third set belongs to the AFP. They survived a major tear by the Comelec to emerge victorious 25-22. And they are on the verge of possibly taking game number 1 in this best of 3. We will be back with the fourth. At the end of 3 sets, it's a 2-1 lead by the defending champions. They took the second as well as the third. They were in command by as much as 18-8 in the third set. And then there was a 10-1 run by the Comelec. The AFP, thanking their lucky stars, they survived that rampage in the third. And we are looking at the numbers coming out of the third.
You know, it seemed like a very, very close one, no? But if you look at the stats for that last set, 18 attack points ang AFP, 7 lang yung nagawa ng Comelec. But blocking, halos mababa lang. Aces, dito nakalamang din, no, ang Comelec. 3 points yung nakuha nila. But I think what that says would be yung errors din talaga that we've seen in that previous set. Despite the double-digit attack points, nadikitan pa sila.
Yes, lalo na na-survive lang nila yung dulo eh. And Yonko, who started here today, is back in harness. Odegia, keeping it very much in play. Betinho. You know, if you're the AFP, you want to finish it right here, right now. You don't want to give this Comelec team a chance that seems so resilient so far. Back row strike. Oh, look at the floor D. Abil stands up. Ang hirap ng buhay na to. Olores on 2. Abil all over that floor. Good reach that time by Madulid. Yumang. Return.
Good long rally.
Alanganin. Double contact or net? Net.
Ganda na eh. Haba. One of the longer rallies we've seen here. Ayun ang net ni Olores.
Yan ang most depressing call sa volleyball, yung net.
Ang ganda ng play, ang ganda ng set sa likod.
Tapos biglang net. Behind Abil is the PNP. They're beginning to stretch and warm up for their game against the BFP. No. Great dolphin dive. De Gia, and we're having long rallies now. Betinho hooks it over. Tan has a hand on it. And that's too strong.
May halong higil.
Yonko overpowering that heave. Abil will now serve. Inside. Comelec is a 3-0 lead.
I held my, what I was gonna say back after niya magano. But she has been serving very well. Ano? Even in the previous set, nakita natin yan. Very steady. Itong si Abil.
Who now has collected 4 aces in this match. Kargado kasi serve.
Oo. So even if hindi ace yung kanyang serve, ano, nababasag niya yung play ng AFP.
Jen Rowley knocks it over. 4-0 Comelec. And this is the way they started the match. In the first set, they had this lead. Can they hang on to it and force a 5th? This is the semifinals. I don't think we're going to have short sets here. Short matches. Everybody wants to win now. Yonko. Oh, that's on target.
Finally get their first point here in the 4th set.
Yonko has delivered 8 points. The leading scorer for the AFP is Mabayad with 15. Pantino is second at 14. Here's Betinho. Nocon and Abil's toss is in play. Yonko gets another point. After a lazy start, struggling start, AFP now at 2 points behind the Comelec. Abil has to pull herself up. Nocon got to it. Middle attack, and Yonko's beginning to be prolific here. They need to put a block. Behind Betinho, you can see the BFP in orange. They're also warming up. Back row. Hockey. We're tied. 4 straight points.
And AFP just keeps finding those unmanned spots. In that case, nakita natin din yung depensa ng Comelec. Ang laki ng butas sa likod.
Tight and close. Too much heat. Madulid unable to secure it. Comelec is back in front by 1, 5-4. The serve by Nocon. On the middle we go with Yonko. It's handled well by the Comelec. Betinho, overpass. Overpass. And Gendrauli capitalizing on it and delivering on the regalo.
You know, for these imports, pag nag-over pass ka talaga, they will take advantage.
Sa taas ng net, ang laki niyan. Parang in slow motion yan. Good counter. And hindi na itaas ni Gendrauli.
Sabi ni Danica, sayang, sumabit pa sa...
De Gia. Okay. Betinho.
They can't seem to get good defense. Ngayon sa kanilang back row, we're talking about AFP.
7-5. Jane Yumang will be serving. Madulid, reverse set, blocked out. Gendrauli jumping up and down. Sayang, I had a hand on it, but it was out. Yari Yonko will be serving. Yumang. She has 2 customers in her store, Abil and Gendrauli. Going to nobody else. Nice drop by Madulid. One more time around the block. Problematic as, again, they're close to the net. It's sky high. Middle attack. Madulid gets it to bite.
We give AFP a chance to set up. They have a lot of options.
Yeah. Madulid now with 4 points. That's out. Comelec now in the lead. Dana has a report.
Sir Seb, communication will be our team's key to success. Yan ang sabi ni Dan Gendrauli para makapagsabayan dito sa laro ng AFP. Now, speaking of communication, sabi niya laking tulong daw na constant ang kanilang pag-uusap ng kanyang pamilya na nasa Cebu ngayon para paalalahanan siya at magbigay ng advice tuwing naglalaro siya. Sabi niya, kahit daw even sa mga training, sinasabihan siya ng kanyang magulang na huwag kang mapagod at gawin mo yan para sa future mo. Ngayon, yan ang pinagkukuhaan ng lakas ni Dan Gendrauli para maglaro ng malakas dito sa UBM. Balik sa inyo.
Kahirap naman ng pamilya. Huwag kang mapapagod.
Bawal. No, but I guess also, no, because they recognize the role that she plays in her current team.
And her team, and how valuable she is. That's what she meant there. What a strike by Madulid. Madulid with 5 points. Major Cheryl Haki will now serve. 1 point game, 1 point lead by the Comelec. Abil. Return quickly. Abil sabi, bakit ka bumalik? Pinaalis na kita. Sa gitna yan. Unreachable. Tabla po sa 9 dito sa 4th set. Short. Okay, well, yeah, go ahead.
Oh, dikit na dikit this set. We see how, you know, the effort really is there from both teams.
We're down to possibly the last two sets, and the AFP want to win it. Don't want to give the other side a chance. And, Attorney Nocon has been burned twice on that back row. AFP suddenly steps forward with a 2-point lead. Back to serve and nobody home. Suddenly, nag-collapse ang Comelec game. They've lost the lead and their control. They need a timeout.
Tubig. Sige, okay lang, hoy. Tatlo lamang nila, huwag natin pababayaan yan. Okay, stop natin yung momentum nila, ha? Isang magandang pasa lang tayo. Sige, set mo lang open, shoot mo lang, Judith. Ang pasin mo, huwag ka matakot dyan. Isa lang blocker mo dyan, ha? Huwag ka maano dyan. Okay, one good pass. Pag nag-transition, depensa natin. Basahin mo din kung outside o inside. Outside na kanina, kinuha mo pa eh. Okay, tara, go.
Kunin natin ito. Safre! Yes! Go to your side out there! Dito kay Mano. Gunner!
12-9 and anybody's game ito. At both sides have been guilty of falling asleep at certain stretches. When the other team has a momentum. Noong third set, swerte na lang AP, nakalusot sila ron. Ang init ng Comelec noon, 10-1 yung ginawa nilang run. Tingnan natin kung sino mananaig dito. Hake will serve. Ahead by 3. Yumang.
Abil.
Ang gigigil na si Judith.
May konting gigil na rin.
Dami ng error ni Judith, 9. Hake will still serve with a 4-point lead. The major missing that serve, 13-10 now, and we will go with the serve of Chanda Manlapit. Yonko. Madule! Down the middle from the pipe.
That approach also says it all. Full swing para kay Madulid.
Saka may gulat no? Hindi akalain na Comelec manggagaling yung palo mula sa likod
Ang bilis.
Not too many teams do that here. Here's De Gia throwing everything into that serve, but too strong. That'll make it 14-11. Victoria Hernan will come in to replace Shaila Tan. Hernan will serve. De Gia, Olores, Madulid, Manlapit slaps it high. Pushed over by Judith Abil. Betinho on the ground. They're getting points from different sources. Betinho has contributed 6 already. In the meantime, Madulid will return to the service area. Madulid has also contributed 8 points.
And actually, if we look at the score, mas may balance kahit papano.
Yes.
Meaning there is participation.
And there's a service ace now by Florence May Madulid, which is her first of the match. Dana, what do you have?
Sir Seb, during the preliminary matches, libero ang naging main role nitong si Rachel De Guia ng AFP. Pero ngayong semifinals ay kinonvert siya bilang maging regular player. Ito daw ay para mas makatulong sa depensa at service ng kanilang team. But did you know, nung unang time na hiniyaya si Rachel para maglaro sa AFP ay hinindian niya ito dahil daw ang kanyang experience lang noon ay mula sa high school. Pero nung nag-advise daw ang kanyang kaibigan ay napapayag na rin siya nito at 2 years later nandito na siya sa UVL at isa na siya sa mga inaasahan ng Team AFP sa depensa. Balik sa inyo.
And the adjustment has done well for the AFP. We saw that in last week's game, last Wednesday's game when they played the PNP. In the meantime, and they won. Yonko! And this one alive. Yari could have hit it earlier, but she decides to glide away. Here's the push. And a reset offense. It's Betinho who uncorks. Abel with 2 hands on it. It's elevated, but it's a standing spike. De Guia spinning around. Yonko to the far end. Where is this going? Up and in play. Reverse. And down and out.
Sabi nga nila, never give up. These long rallies. But it was a good call from Olores to go for that running attack. Minsan kailangan pagalawin yung mga players sa harap. They always go for the sure sets, the sure plays in the middle.
Kasi yung running set, tatakbo ka eh. Saka may accuracy at confidence yan. May chemistry yan eh. May tamang angulo rin. In the meantime, Olores sets it up. Yonko out. And the breaks going the way of the AFP here. They are in command by 6. But keep in mind, in that third set, they lost a 10-point lead. In the meantime, number 15 for the Comelec returns. This is Jean Rasos. Betinho will serve. Kijoy Betinho. De Guia. Abel. Well set. Well set.
Oh, that was perfect for Yonko. But let's give credit to the back row players dito sa AFP dahil sa kanilang sipag sa depensa. Kaya nakapuntos din ng ganun sila si Olores and Yonko.
Umalik yung stability nila. In the meantime, timeout by the Comelec.
Receive natin maayos. Okay, kapag magsiservice tayo, kargahan natin. Kung saan tayo makakakuha ng puntos. Okay? 19-12. Dikit-dikitan natin ng konti yan. Bago mag-20. Para makadikit tayo. Ha? Isang magandang receive lang, isang magandang transition lang tayo. Yung mga pwesto nyo, focus lang muna kayo sa pwesto nyo. Huwag nyo muna alalahanin yung iba. Okay, kami na magsasabi kapag may mga gumagayo na hindi naman na position. Isang magandang pasa lang tayo. Isa-isay natin yan.
Alam mo, daming chances din ng Comelec. Hindi masama yung laro nila. They led at certain stretches. They controlled and took the first set. But hindi nila masaran yung pinto eh. Katok pa rin ng katok itong AFP eh.
Oh, may konting kulang siguro, no? But we've seen what they can do.
Yeah.
I think at this point, though, they will need to do more and really minimize yung kanilang error. Nag-umpisa rin kasi sa poor passing.
At after a while, nabasa na ng AFP na dalawa lang ang pinanggagalingan ng puntos. Si Abby lang at saka si Jen Rowley, walang ibang as close. Even Chena Tinagan, who saw brief action, has only 4 points. So in the meantime, 6-point lead by the AFP, hoping to close out their first game in this best of 3. Yonko gets it to bite.
And when AFP moves steadily, and sure, makikita natin yung struggle din. Now, on the side of Comelec, really, yung kanilang depensa is crumbling.
Olores with a serve that she wished she could get back. I thought She was too casual about it. 2014. Kasi kung pumapas flat ng serve mo so far, biglang lahat. Aha! Eto na naman ang AFP. Medyo nakakatulog sa pansitan. Lead is reduced to 5. Yumang. Hello. The gunner trying to seal it up.
Itong si Yonko, she's had her moments earlier. Nakita natin yung slowdown.
Yeah.
But ang maganda dito sa lineup ng AFP, ang lalim kasi ng bench. They have
Sobra.
so many players to rotate.
Sa ganda ng laro ni Lilet Mabayad, hindi na nga nakabalik si Yonko ng seconds.
And actually that made a huge difference for AFP.
Yeah. That they got something from their bench.
Yes, and yung turning point, I'd say that is a turning point after losing that first set and the manner at which they won the second set.
Na pwede pala yung bench natin. Malalim pala tayo. Pwede tayo. In the meantime, Olores chooses Madulit. Ball is returned. Sabi niya, ayaw upakan ni Madulit. Sabi niya, sige, ganito. Ay! Judith missing!
Nabitin.
May pagod na rin si Judith.
I think so because, throughout this match, kita natin, there is teamwork. Nandun yung depensa, but yung offense talaga really relies heavily on Hendrauli and Abil.
Saka yung kakalundag, may pagod din yan. She has had to play defense as well. 6-point lead by the Lady Gunner. Hockey with a wicked serve. Betinho. Olores, mababa yung set. Hindi ipinilit. Yumang forced to punch it up. Olores. Bumalik. Sabi ni Abil, ayoko sa'yo. Nagkagulo. De Gia makes a set for Betinho. Oh! Ayoko na sa'yo! Huwag ka nang babalik!
Sabi ni Judith, anong pagod, Sir Sem? Hindi pa ako pagod.
Kailangan rumampa ako uli. But, she's breathing very heavily in the middle right now. Can't blame her. But it's a 5-point game. Betinho. Madulit didn't follow Olores. Lost. Too much. Too much.
They're asking for a check.
Yes, the referees give it to them. Sabi ng AFP, sige, wala naman tayong challenge. Pag-usapan na lang natin. Makinig tayo sa AFP.
Dapat first ball lang tayo, magandang first ball. May, pagka medyo over na sa'yo, tingnan mo yung saan magpa-fall. Kung dito sa, kay Ma'am or kay Reyes naman, okay naman sila mag-receive. Wala lang ha. Para maka-establish ka ng palo. Sige, nagputang tayo, patay ng tayo.
Go tayo ha.
Bawis tayo.
Okay, one good receive tayo, magandang set. May, kung sino man nasa harap, May and Ma'am, puntos tayo ha. Hey, AFP! Gana!
Okay. Hindi pa sumusuko itong Comelec kasi pwede pa sumipa ito. Nagawa na nila ng previous set. 22-18 ang count natin dito. Still to come, the BFP faces the PNP in the other half of the semifinals. The team that was number 2 against the team that was number 3 in the final elimination standings. Del Santos is in for Nocon. 22-18. Second referee clarifying with the official scorer. And we're good to go. This serve in play. Paborito ni Madulid.
The right height. Again, pag nakako siya ng full swing, full approach, packs so much power.
Bihira yung from the fight dito sa UNTV Volleyball League. Pero when it's done well. Here's the gear. Yumang. Yes, well done. De Los Santos getting that to connect. Shailatan will serve. High. Yonko. Madulid. Nabasa ni De Los Santos. Denkia crumbling to the floor. Betinho. De Los Santos. Yonko gets it to stay in play. Betinho missed it badly.
Alam mo, dun sa nakikita nating body language, no? While AFP has the 3-point lead, very composed itong Team Comelec at this point.
Kung mahabol. Kung hindi, next game na tayo. But Madulid delivering some key blows here in the crucial stretch. And she can now serve for the match. It's match point. Yonko. And we're done with authority.
Good game shown to us also by Team Comelec, but AFP, really solid teamwork today.
And they remain composed despite losing that first set rather badly. But the consolation for the Comelec, they're in the match. They can play against AFP. They took away one set compared to last time when they could not win a single set against them. Sino ang best player natin?
Dito alam mo maraming players that scored very high, but I think we go back to that turning point. And we chose Lilet Mabayad, who has scored 15 points. Only one error also. Pinag-usapan natin ang kanyang efficiency in this game.
Okay, maganda gising ni Lilet. She's with Dana.
Sir Seven, nandito na nga ako ngayon kasama si Lilet Mabayad, ang ating player of the game. Ngayon, nag-start ng slow yung team ng AFP. Ngayon, nakuha ng Comelec yung first set. Ano sa tingin mo yung naging turning point ng team para makuha yung the next sets natin?
Yung pinaka-turning point namin is communication. Yun talaga yung dapat gawin namin bawat laro, hindi lang itong game, sa susunod pa na laro.
Ngayon, ano naman sa tingin mo yung mga learnings nyo this game na dapat nyong i-apply sa mga susunod nyong semifinals match?
Teamwork pa rin hanggang matapos yung game at para makamit namin yung championship.
Ngayon, meron ka bang gustong mga batiin at pasalamatan?
Hello sa mga sister-in-law ko po na nanonood at yung pamangkin ko. Andyan, yung Mandin family po from Zamboanga. Nandito po sila para mag-support sa akin. And also sa lahat ng AFP, mga supporters po namin, and family po ng mga teammates ko. Hello! At
Hi, Gaya. Hi, Gaya.
Hi, Gaya!
Thank you po.
Babati po, MM Family 950.
Go.
Hello, my love! Sa Belgium, I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday kay Manya at kay John Marie!
Hi, Nanay. And Papa. Pantino family, Dasmariñas family, ang lahat ng pamilya nyo.
Ayan. And to Flag Officer of Command, Sir Adasi, sir. Thank you, sir. At sa aking commander sa Naval Reservice Group, Sir Major General Quezon, sir. Thank you so much sa tiwala at sa pagbibigay sa akin ng chance na makalaro ulit dito.
Again, congratulations to our player of the game, Liat Mabayad, and our AFP team for winning this match. Balik sa inyo.
Masunurin yung bata na, si Papa, batiin mo.
Sumusunod lang po.
Nakahawak yung nanay. Ito, some of the numbers are interesting, but they might not tell the whole story, you know?
Yes, oo, tama ka dyan. But you know, again, sinasabi natin yung dominance pagdating sa numero dito sa atake ng AFP. But I think, kaya rin dumikit yung Comelec in that set. Makikita natin dito yung opponent's errors, double digit for AFP. So every game really still is a learning experience, you know, for all of these teams. But again, overall, AFP successfully winning this match in 4 sets. Yan ang kanilang total points for this game. 98 overall for AFP, 80 para sa Comelec. Dito makikita natin, 64 attack points. Comelec only producing half of that. Blocking halos pantay ang both teams as well as service aces. But again, kung may babalikan itong parehong team, siguro yung kanilang mga giveaway points, Sev, yan ang points for improvement in their upcoming games.
Okay, game 1 of the best of 3 belongs now to the AFP. They just have to win one more on Wednesday to enter the finals to defend their crown. But here's a juicy one coming up. BFP plays against the PNP in our other half of the semifinals. Ann and Dana, and I will be right back with your UNTV Volleyball League after a short break.